if you're getting started in AI, at the moment there are so many different apps, programs you need to sign up to. So what's a really good way to try and control how you're going to use these AI apps individually? You can just go all in and start building stuff in like ChatGPT and getting that to interact with some of your APIs that you might have for your website. But what I recommend at the moment is using a platform like make.com or Zapier. I think make.com is better. Make.com lets you create flows that interact with different AI softwares. So I'm going to show you one in a minute where I pull some information and then I do a little bit of AI analysis using different pieces of software. And the beauty about Make is that you can just, if you want to change the piece of IA software that you're using, you just move it out, put another one back in. So let's jump into my computer and I'll show you. So this is what make.com looks like. You build flows, so you can go from the start to the finish, and what happens in here is that there's so many different things that you can plug into it. So what I've done with this flow, it's quite in depth, is the first thing that I've done is I've pulled a API request from our website to get information about a certain product. Once I have that, I've got a couple of little data storage things we don't need to talk about right now because it's not the point that I want to get across. What you can do is then send that data to ChatGPT to do something with it. So in this case, I send it the images and say, can you tell me what is in these images? And then I do another ChatGPT and I say, well, this is what the name of the product is and the category of the product. Can you write a really cool little social media post? And then this part here chooses between whether I'm going to be posting a video or a image to social media. And then once I've done, if it comes up here and goes to video, for example, I'll come in here and use ChatGPT again to make a little video script. And then once that's done, I send it to 11 Labs, also another AI app. 11 Labs will create audio in all these different cool voices, audio from text, which is cool. Once I've done that, I use another AI called Placid, and Placid, what that does is it creates a really cool video for me. I upload that video to Google Drive. Once it's up there, I pull it back down from Google Drive, send it to another thing called JSON to video, where it stitches the video from here and the audio from here all into the one video, and then I post it to all my social medias. So this is really, really cool because tomorrow, let's say that I don't want to use ChatGPT anymore, I want to go use Gemini or DeepSeek. I can actually just edit this and change this out to whatever AI I want to use without having to change any of my workflow. You could actually build most of this just into ChatGPT. I could get ChatGPT to pull requests from an API. I could do all of that within ChatGPT, but then what happens if I want to change the AI that I'm using? So right now, I recommend learning make.com. I think it'll save you so much time, and I think it's the way that the future's going to go. So that's make.com, guys. I think if you're really interested in AI, this is going to be the way to go. It's so flexible. You can build workflows. You can have different triggers. Go to make.com, start learning it. You can go to Zapier as well, but I find Zapier, especially with that branching type scenario, Zapier is not quite as strong. So go to make.com, start learning about it, sign up to a couple of these different AI software providers and see what you can build.